Hello, welcome to another video. This is something I've been willing to do for a very long time since I got my truck, and I wait for the perfect weather, which is very cold. Last night it was about minus 25 degrees, and I took my truck to the car wash. I haven't touched it for 24 hours, and you can see ice underneath hanging. So, with that being said, I want to see if these new F-150s, they have the freezing latch problem the previous model they had. Okay, here we go. We're going with the driver's door. Oh, okay. Yep, it closes. It closes. Rear door now. Oh, you can feel the ice. Oh yeah, it's all ice here in the door frame. It's very dark, but I was waiting for nighttime, which is about minus 20 again. Oh yeah, it's all ice here. It's ice everywhere. Okay, let's see if it closes and it stays closed. Yep. Okay. So far so good. Let's check passenger side. Oh wow, you can hear the ice. Listen to it. Yeah, it's a lot of ice in here. Yeah, ice coming down everywhere. That means we got water everywhere, but nothing inside. Okay, perfect. Last one. Oh my goodness, this one is completely frozen. Oh, I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. Holy crap. Holy. Okay, there's ice everywhere in this store. I mean, in the outside. Nothing in the inside. Inside is completely dry. Okay. Close. Oh wow, I'm trying to pull from the other end, and yeah, every door is closed. Every door open without a problem. And I think the difference is in the new design. Right here. Previous truck, it had a plastic piece around the handle, and I believe that's where the water was getting through, and they fix it apparently, hopefully. I haven't driven this truck for 24 hours. It's been sitting here in very cold temperatures, and every door open and closes without any problem. That's fantastic. That's great news. Awesome news. Okay, so for all those ones wondering if it was going to be a carryover, that's great news for all of us who already bought the truck and those one looking to buy a new F-150. Perfect. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye now.